Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying basics you might skip. The silent switch and volume buttons directly control speakers. Once done, open Control Center to confirm the audio output. AirPods or a car connection mutes the built-in speaker. Make sure Bluetooth is off or disconnected briefly to isolate the problem. Next, restart the phone to clear transient glitches. If you can, check for an iOS update and apply it. System fixes often resolve driver-level sound issues and restore standard behavior. Now you methodically map where sound fails. Play audio in multiple apps to tell whether it's app-specific or system-wide. Then dive into settings, sounds, and haptics. Adjust ringtone and media volumes and toggle change with buttons. This explains volume behavior. Physically inspect the lightning port and speaker grills. Lint or moisture blocks sound or headphone detection. Try wired headphones and then Bluetooth. If one works and the other doesn't, you've narrowed the hardware versus software culprit. Finish with targeted remedies. First reset network and then reset all settings. This preserves data but clears audio-related preferences. If that fails, back up and perform a full restore via Finder/iTunes to rule out deep software corruption. Should sound still be absent after a restore, you're likely facing hardware damage. Book Apple support or an authorized repair for speaker replacement. If things go wrong during steps, one key troubleshooting move is a force restart to clear stuck processes before attempting full restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.